Hello and welcome. My name is Sunshine, the project manager at Sunshine Resources. Welcome to our tutorial series on how to build website with HTML and CSS. And this is the 32nd tutorial in the series. If you've been following us from tutorial 1 up to this point, I want to congratulate you for doing that. I assure you that you will not regret what you're doing. Just be determined to achieve what you want to achieve. Thank you very much. Today I want to talk about what we generally refer to as in web designing a class. Very important. Also, if you have a web page with multiple web pages, it's important that you know how to use the class to differentiate element. For example, you have several paragraphs on your web page, and of course you know that if you go to the CSS and apply the parameter p, whatever property you apply is going to affect all of them. But you're going to use class to segregate the property you apportion to one paragraph from another paragraph. So let's move on. Now, on this body here, let me just write we are students. Okay, that's the first paragraph, opening and close tag. That's the opening and close tag. Then the second one is John is a man. Okay, all right, so on the body of the web page we have two paragraphs. Now, just like I said before, in the CSS section, if you go to the CSS section, for example, and then you type p and then parentheses, whatever you do or whatever property you change using that p will definitely affect the two of them. So what I'm going to show you now is how you can use class to differentiate the various property you give them. Now, someone might say, why can't I use span? Yes, you can also use span to make these kind of changes, but most of the time when you have multiple web pages, span will consume your time as you do it, but you can effect these changes from the CSS if you have multiple web pages. So this is what we are going to do. In this opening tag of this paragraph, you're going to type in class equal to, make sure you put this inverted comma open, and then let's label this color red. And then in the second one, class equal to, then let's give this color green. Okay, we've given the two paragraph class. The two paragraphs, we've given them class now. Now on the CSS section, this is what you do. When you come to the CSS section, you now type full stop first, then red, you write red, parentheses, you now type color red, semicolon, then you close the parentheses. Then the next one, make sure you put this full stop first, then green, the green one now, then parentheses, then color, semicolon, then write green, semicolon, then close the parentheses. Now let's refresh, let's save and refresh to see what we have done. You can see that. So what we did was that we gave the two paragraph class. This is very important. Let me go over it again. The first paragraph class, in the opening tag of the paragraph tag, we create a space and we write class, and then we give the class equal to red. We want it to be identified as red. And then in the second one, the second paragraph, the class, we want it to be identified as green. And so on the CSS section, make sure you write up the first one with a full stop, or what they call period, and after the period you write red, then the color we want is red, or Remember that any other property can still follow. The font size, the weight, whatever you want to bold it can still follow. So dots green, period green, or whatever you may call it, and then the parentheses, make sure you put a space, parentheses, color green, and then you close the bracket. Period. That's how you change, or you can effect changes on different paragraphs on your web page. So that's all we have for you today. If you like this program, please continue to give us a thumbs up, continue to support us, and continue to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you.